Welcome to the Event Production Show 2026, where the live events industry comes together to share ideas, discover innovation, and build the future for safe and unforgettable event experiences.
Hello, we're at the Event Production Show 2026 in the ExCeL London. K4 Group is sponsoring the VIP Lounge and is the lanyard sponsor too. As you can see, it is extremely busy. Let's go explore the expo.
At the heart of this year's show stands K4 Group of Companies, VIP and Speaker Lounge sponsor, as well as official lanyard sponsor. First day of the Event Production Show 2026 begins early at the K4's VIP Lounge. The K4 team gathers for a focused staff briefing, aligning everyone on safety, service standards, and creating a premium visitor experience. As the doors open, the K4's VIP Lounge quickly becomes a destination for event organisers.
Today is the show day. Welcome to the Event Production Show 2026. We've just finished all the last minute checks. Doors have just opened. We've got the hostesses packing all the goodie bags away for everyone. Teas, coffees, all the refreshment, breakfast is all happening over there as well. So if you are in ExCeL, come see us. If you're not, make your way to the ExCeL and come see us at the Event Production Show 2026.
Throughout the day, visitors discover how K4 Group of Companies brings together integrated event security, medical, training, CCTV, and workforce services all under one roof. With K4 as the VIP Lounge sponsor and official lanyard sponsor, the presence is visible across the entire show floor, reinforcing its role as a trusted partner to the live event sector. By the end of day one, it's clear the opening day has been a real success, full of strong engagement, great conversations, and a day packed with follow-up meetings.
Today's been a very successful day. We've had lots and lots of footfall at our stand. We've hosted the VIPs and we've hosted all the speakers. There has been lots and lots of food being eaten, drinks, coffees. So it's been a real successful day. I think we've had some amazing customers that we currently work with visit us. We've had good conversations and we've had a couple of real good conversations with people that we were hoping to work with.
Will we be here in 2027?
We've had a good relationship with Match Media, good relationship with the Event Production Show. We do a lot around the AAA Access All Area magazine. So we are hopeful to continue with this. We are hopeful to kind of move it forward next year.
So for those that don't know about the K4 Group, could you just tell us a little bit about what you do?
Okay, so K4 Group consists of a couple of different entities. K4 Security is the biggest. We provide security for every occasion, be it for events, guarding, key holding, alarm response. The mobile services piece is a big kind of sector department for us. Then there is a medical department, K4 Medical. We do a lot of event medical cover, full-time, part-time, all of this. We then have K4 Training, and that's again a standalone entity, very busy. We do lots and lots of training work across the country. We got training centers and we provide online training with our own online platform.
So that was day one at the Event Production Show. Thank you to everyone who visited and showed interest. Lovely meeting you all from the K4 Group.